Introducing the NetSuite to Microsoft Connector. Sync your NetSuite and Microsoft environments with just one click. Effortlessly keep your contacts, emails, project data, and attachments in sync across both platforms. Moreover, the connector simplifies your day-to-day by removing the need to switch between accounts, double-check records, or manually update data. Lastly, say goodbye to manual updates and scattered communication by giving your team full insights into customer info and project details. Clients keep running into the same pain points. Emails are stored in individual Outlook mailboxes, making it hard to track interactions in NetSuite. Keeping customer data updated across systems is time-consuming and error-prone. Customer contacts and emails are locked to a salesperson's inbox, causing gaps when team members leave. Let's walk you through a real-life scenario we call the Vanishing Act. Meet Jake. Jake is a senior sales executive and has been handling a key client, ABC Manufacturing, for over 3 years. He manages all communication through his Outlook email and keeps client contacts stored in his personal Outlook account. However, Jake unexpectedly leaves the company, taking all of his customer interactions with him since his emails and contacts were never synced to NetSuite. Here's the problem. ABC Manufacturing's entire communication history is lost to the company. The new account manager, Pam, has no visibility into past conversations, proposals, or negotiations. Customer contacts are locked in Jake's personal Outlook account, making it difficult for Pam to reconnect and continue the relationship seamlessly. In the end, the company loses valuable client trust due to disrupted communication and delays in response. Want to see how the problem could have been avoided? Let's find out in part 2.